Good morning, fellow gardeners. Well, you can see we're in the house again. Another cold morning, so we're not out in the garden. So we thought we'd show you how we make our smoothies every morning for breakfast. And as you know, you can make blueberry, you can use bananas, pineapple, strawberries. You can make a combination of these any way you like. And we change up. You know, we go sometime, we'll make a banana, strawberry, and sometime we'll make a banana, strawberry, blueberry. Sometime we will make just a pineapple in the afternoon. We like pineapples late in the afternoon. Anyway, this morning we're going to make a blueberry banana. We're kind of on that kick right now, liking the blueberry banana. Now, you can take ripe bananas and use a banana fresh like this and then put some ice in with it. We found out saving having to use the ice and water it down. We peel these bananas, break them half in two, put them in our container, and put them in the deep freeze overnight and let them freeze. Now I've got a banana here that's froze as hard as a rock. So we'll take that and put it in our container. Is the first thing we put in, those long bananas. We'll stick them right down in the bottom. Okay? And then we'll pour in about a half a cup, less than a half a cup, a little bit less than a half a cup of blueberries in that same container. Because we're making a banana blueberry smoothie. Okay? Then we take and put in about let me give them a teaspoon here. I messed it up. Let me get a teaspoon here. We put in about a half a teaspoon of stevia to sweeten it up a little bit. We put in just a shake of cinnamon, just a little. We like just a little in there to give it a little flavor, added flavor. Then the next thing we put in, we pour our almond milk. Now we're using almond milk here, you can see. You can use regular milk, you can use 2%, any kind of milk you want to use. Soy milk, coconut milk, just use what flavor you like. Okay, we'll put that milk in there like that. And then we take and we've got these Carnation Breakfast Essential powders, the drinks that we put in there. And we like to add that in. You can use strawberry or vanilla or chocolate, whatever suits your fancy. You know, there's no law that says you got to use a certain flavor. We got that all mixed in there together. We're going to put the lid on it. We're going to put it on the machine for just a minute. And you have your smoothie now made. We tap that a little bit to kind of get that off of that blade a little bit. That's what I usually do. You can see that this is what you've got. I'm fixing to pour this in the glass. We like one of these every morning, and you talk about good. That is delicious. Then I like to try to save what's a little bit's left in there, so I just put a little bit more milk in there. Just a little dab, and put the lid back on and shake it up a little bit and get that, save that little bit too. And then pour it in the glasses with the rest of it, and you can take a spoon, stir it up, and you talk about a good drink.
Could I ask you a question?
Yes, Judy, go ahead.
Did you not tell me something to do with the fact that carnation was something to do with protein?
Yes, that's what we're adding. The nurses that was taking care of a friend said that if you'll drink some of that, you know, people get where they just don't want to eat or anything. And let's look on the back of this sack and see what we're talking about here. It's got well, I can't tell you anything much about it. It doesn't say on there. But you can use any of the kind of powders you want to use. You don't even have to use the powders. You can just use the straight fruit and leave this out. We just like this for added flavor and supposed to be something to kind of help you get along through the day again a little better. Anyway, I wish you was here to taste these. We've made 2 of them now, and we're fixing to have them for breakfast, and you talk about good. That's good. That is really good. Try some of this. See how you like it. If you like this, punch the button, ring the bell, and subscribe, and we'll make you another video.